Tail chasing is a very common occurrence amongst many dogs, and it seems to be one of those activities that us as owners just look over and think of it as just a normal thing. Well, now there are answers to why dogs do this strange thing that seems to entertain us more than it entertains them. In a study conducted by 8 scientists, it was found that dogs that chase their tails seem to have more OCD-like qualities and traits about them than dogs that don't chase their tails. Just like human obsessive-compulsive disorder, canine OCD is seen to have a genetic predisposition and is more common among certain breeds of dogs than other breeds of dogs. The dogs that chase their tails and have OCD-like behaviours seem to be obsessive about other kinds of behaviours, like licking, flank sucking, repetitive pacing, and invisible fly catching. The breeds of dogs that have more OCD-like qualities than other breeds of dogs are Bull Terriers, Miniature Bull Terriers, German Shepherds, and Staffordshire Bull Terriers. In order to study certain breeds of dogs, a number of detailed behavioural questionnaires were developed and were given to those dogs' owners. In the sample, the population was of 368 canines, all from the 4 different breeds that I mentioned earlier. The aim of the report was to study the phenotypic and genetic characteristics and the possible environmental and personality links to tail chasing in dogs. The main effects that could contribute to these behaviours were studied, and the results were as follows. When looking at only the dogs that were severe tail chasers, the study showed that when a female dog was neutered, their tail chasing decreased, but when a male dog was neutered, there was really no difference in how much they tail chased. And it shows in other animal studies that when the ovarian hormones are decreased, the OCD becomes more severe, but it seems to be the opposite in dogs. Dogs that were receiving more dietary nutrients and supplements in their daily feeds seemed to chase their tails much less than dogs that didn't receive any supplements. And the main vitamin that showed the difference was vitamin B6. Vitamins have shown a higher increase of positive results in human OCD as well, showing less anxiety and stress towards things. In 1/3 of the population, the most common trigger for why dogs chase their tails was boredom, and these dogs also showed that they wanted to chase moving objects more than non-tail chasers, and this could be because of a higher energy level and a lower frustration threshold. It could also be because they want some attention from their owner. In conclusion, OCD in dogs is similar to human OCD, and dogs need a certain amount of nutrients in their diet, and to keep their brain functioning properly, they need to be busy and active all the time, and this will decrease their tail chasing. Thank you.